Millions of Muslims around the world visit the two holy cities, Mecca and Medina, every year to complete Umrah or Hajj and visit the Prophet's mosque. After nearly 2 years of travelling, we promised ourselves that this year we would make a visit to Mecca and complete our first Umrah as a family. It was the perfect timing for us as we'd spent most of 2023 on the road and were in much need of some rest and connecting with our faith. So after finishing up with our travels in India, we made our way to Mecca to complete our very first Umrah as a family.
Let's go! Bye-bye!
So, we're making our way to the airport now. I woke up this morning, had a shower, cleaned myself up in preparations for getting changed into my Ihram, which is a very simple 2 pieces of cloth which you have to wear when you're performing Umrah. So no watch, gonna take my ring off, wasn't allowed to put any deodorant on or perfume or anything like that this morning. So check in, airport security, and then get changed. Hopefully we have time because we are running late as well. So let's see.
Did my 2 class before we left. I just think it's easier for me just to do it at home rather than doing it at the airport. Let's go to the airport. Thank you. Right, let's go to check-in. It actually took us an hour and 30 minutes to get to the airport as opposed to the hour that it took us the other night.
So we vastly underestimated it, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
But it looks like the airport is not busy here, so we might be in luck. Bish bash bosh it all.
As we expected. Empty.
It is quiet, which I like to see.
Yours is even lighter, 22 kgs.
Wow.
Considering that I've got an extra burqa, a backpack, it's still 30 kgs, that's good.
Yeah, and we brought loads of nappies recently.
So my bag weighs 30 kilos and this airline policy is 23 kilos in each suitcase, which is nearly impossible because I've got Zakaria stuff. We've had this issue in our previous vlog when we were flying from London to India. Luckily we had the manager then, she was able to override the situation, but here they're quite strict, they're saying you have to pay for it. So Irfan's gone, bless him, it's like 10:06 now, Zakaria's moaning because I think he's hungry. We have to basically buy a bag which costs 1,000 rupees, which is about a tenner, or pay 50 quid just to let the suitcase go through because it's in excess of luggage, which is just a bit crazy because like 23 kgs, hardly going to get anything in that, especially with stuff with the kid as well. Let's see what the verdict, you might just pay 50 quid and just go through with it. Right, another 50 smackaroonies, let's go.
Here you go.
We thought it was going to be an easy check-in process. It's never an easy check-in process.
Starving as well.
Here we go, ready to board our flight. Okay, we're in. Woo. We made it!
We made it onto the plane. With a little bit, we've got people in our seats, but it's okay. But we have some roti rolls to keep us fueled for the next few hours. So my plan to get changed into my Ihram at the airport and then go to the prayer room and pray completely failed. India has been the most stressful place to travel. Their security measures don't make sense because they contradict each other, but that's a whole different other story. Anyway, so I'm going to have to get changed in the plane. It's fine. It's quite spacious, quite clean. It shouldn't be a problem. So I'll show you when I get changed. I got changed. Wasn't too bad actually. The toilet's quite spacious here, and also at the back is like a little area where there's it's quite spacious, and managed to squeeze in my prayer there. Luckily the toilets here are very, very clean as well.
Zakaria's looking at daddy like, who is this daddy?
So just make an intention now to do Umrah, and the dua is Labbaik Allahumma Umrah. Enter the Ihram now. Now we're just gonna land really, get our belongings and make our way to Makkah, but in between then we basically sit and recite Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik Labbaik La Sharika Lak Labbaik Innal Hamda Wan Ni'mata Lak Wal Mulku La Sharika Lak.
We're gonna see Dado!
We're gonna see my family. We timed this perfectly. One of the intentions and one of the du'as that I did earlier on this year was my mum has been wanting to go Umrah for a very, very long time. She's never said she wanted to do it, she's not hinted anything, but I know she's wanted to go. And at the beginning of the year, one thing I wanted to do was take her Umrah, all of us together. So my mum and my 2 younger sisters as well are going to meet us in Saudi. Their flight arrives a little later, so we're going to complete our Umrah first, and then I'm going to go to Jeddah Airport to pick them up, and they can do their Umrah later on this evening. But we're really, really excited to meet them and spend the next 10 days with them.
It's gonna be fantastic.
It's going to be amazing. So you have to get into your ihram and make the intention of doing Umrah before you enter 5 key areas which make up the boundary point. And usually when you're on the flight, the pilot makes an announcement that we're entering this boundary point, which is referred to as miqat. If you don't, then you have to travel back out and get into your ihram. And if you can't do that, then you have to sacrifice an animal and distribute it to the poor near the Masjid al-Haram. Most people try and do it, but they are at home because it's nice and comfortable. But you can do it on the plane like I did, and it wasn't too bad in the end.
The time now is 9:20 local time in Jeddah, and we will be entering Miqat in 5-minute time. You may want to get ready with your ihram and recite your prayers now. Thank you.
What a lovely, amazing announcement, right? We're near it. Yeah, we're all ready, which is good. But I think it might get a teeny bit busy now. People are going to start getting ready a bit more.
Oh my god, we made it. I'm so excited.
I am too. So got to go through immigration first, grab our bags. What we're going to do is not make our way straight to Makkah. We're going to sit in the airport for a bit and get little man something to eat, because it's been a few hours since he's ate, and any minute he's going to get hungry. So by doing it this way, we can have something to eat, relax, then make our way to Makkah.
Very fast. Alright people, so we've made it past immigration. We're just gonna go pick up our luggage now, hopefully. All our luggage is there. There we go.
Our suitcases, they've arrived. Wow, look, Zakaria is staring at the fish. He saw these and he was so excited. This is as soon as you come out of the exit, you're greeted with this massive fish tank, and there's a scuba diver in there cleaning up the coral. This is beautiful, mashallah.
It kind of reminds me of when we were in Casablanca in Morocco, because they had a similar thing in the mall.
The Morocco Mall, yeah. Wow, that is beautiful. I was not expecting that. Going through immigration was a piece of cake. For UK passports, they've got the e-visa waiver application, which is all done online, and literally within seconds you get your visa in your inbox, and it costs like $35, which is cheap. And when you get here, literally I handed my passport in. I think it's all linked because he didn't want to see a copy of the visa or anything. Stamped the passport off and went. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's get something to eat.
Say bye fishes, bye fishes, bye fishes. All famous Albakios. Just gonna get a chicken burger, I think. We'll get Zakaria chicken. So Irfan managed to hail down a taxi for half the price of what it is on Uber, because he used a tactic, which is...
Speak to the locals. There's loads of people standing around saying Makkah, 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 right? They're basically going to take you there. Uber is charging 420 riyal right now. That's a lot of money. It's like £90. This guy said he will do it for 200, which is good. And you know what? He's a local. He's from Pakistan as well. There's loads of these people talking about. Just make sure you confirm the price.
It is lovely. A Toyota, not too bad. I love how they've got like plastic wrappers on the seats.
On our way to Makkah, inshallah. It's an hour and 15 drive. It is quite busy as well. Our brothers told us. Aapka naam?
Yusuf Bhai.
Yusuf Bhai.
Muhammad Yusuf Bhai.
We've entered the boundary of Makkah now. There literally was a slight checkpoint, but our car didn't get pulled over. Unlike last time when I came, we did actually get stopped, and we had to show our passports, I'm sure, but that was like 13 years ago.
There's a checkpoint because Makkah is one of the holy cities where only Muslims are allowed in there, so they kind of check. But literally seamlessly went through, you wouldn't check. You wouldn't be able to tell that it was even a checkpoint. So they probably have ways to check. We're nearing there. I think there's a slight bit of traffic on Google Maps, but we should be there in about 20-25 minutes, I think now. Really, really excited. I don't know, my heart is kind of racing a bit as well.
We'll see you at the hotel. We've got a special surprise for you.
Even Zakaria's excited.
Stay tuned to see what hotel we're staying in. It's going to be worth it.
Just been to the ATM to take some money out, and this is kind of an indication of how expensive Saudi is going to be. This is a £108 note that comes out the ATM. £108 this is.
Okay people, we have made it to our hotel.
The Fairmont Hotel in the top tower we stayed at. So we're going to check in now.
Check in now, but it looks like there's nobody at the desk. Ooh, it's very fancy. It smells very nice.
Oh,
smells expensive. So we made a booking by booking.com back in August, and we've got a bit of a boo-boo situation right now. They're saying that they can't find our booking. Ooh, So it's been a good half an hour since we've been here trying to check in. I've got to say the process has been not as smooth, it has been a bit long. We wanted to be just in and out and go to our rooms and then go straight to Umrah, but the queues have got really big right now. It is getting really full.
We finally have our keys, so let's go. We are at room 322.
Oh, it looks lovely.
Wow.
Hey, this is not bad.
This is absolutely beautiful.
We have the shower. Nice.
It's time now, so just getting the lift down to the ground floor to make our way into Masjid and complete our Umrah, inshallah. We just saw the live feed in our hotel room and it's busy ones.
Right guys, we're making our way now, so we're probably not going to vlog. We probably should show you a few clips because we want to really be present in the moment.
Loads of water being sprayed to cool people down. The temperature has dropped quite a bit now actually, so
it's actually a perfect time.
We're going to make our way in. I'm going to show you. I know, Zakaria, look, he's pointing.
Look where we are, Zakaria. Oh wow, wait till you see it for the first time. I'm so glad that we are recording this just to see Zakaria's reaction. And we can remember this precious moment. Wow. So the first thing you do is you read the dua, right foot first when you enter, and then you make the intention and you make your way to the Kaaba. Right, we should have done our research first, but there's two gates you can go in. There's gate number 3 or gate number 79, which is King Fahad entrance, which I think is closer to where we are right now. I think we are number 89.
So after entering the Haram and going down to the lower ground floor right in front of the Kaaba, we officially started our Umrah. The first step is to complete the Tawaf, which is walking around the Kaaba counterclockwise 7 times. The starting point is from the Black Stone, and the Ministry of Hajj and Umrah have made it easier to identify the spot with the green light clearly installed on the wall. When starting the Tawaf, men need to uncover the right shoulder, the shoulder that is facing away from the Kaaba throughout this time. And as you do your Tawaf, read as many prayers as you can, sending supplications to Allah and reciting some specific du'as at key points. One of the corners of the Kaaba is known as the Yemeni corner, and when you walk between here and the Black Stone, recite this dua: Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana wa fil akhirati hasana wa qina adhaban nar. When you reach the Black Stone, lift up your right hand towards the Black Stone and recite Bismillahi Allahu Akbar. And that's one circle completed. You need to repeat this 7 times in total.
We just done our Tawaf and now we are having Zamzam Bani. You have options of cold and not cold.
Parts of it get really like spacious, you have a bit of room to walk around, and then parts of it get really busy. I mean, I don't blame people for pushing because there is a lot going on and a lot of people want to do this. But we drank Zamzam water, need 2 rakat nafal, and then go between Safa and Marwa. The final step is to walk between the points of Safa and Marwa a total of 7 times. For men, there's a small section with green lights where you should either run or walk at a fast pace. Running time. And when you reach the top of each point, recite the following dua.
Go, Zakaria, go, fast. Go, bye-bye. Okay, Umrah is finally complete. Now you got to chop at least a finger's length worth of hair. So, here we go.
There you go. That's how you need to do it. And there you go.
My Umrah's done. Everybody's to get it touch shape now.
I need to get that barnet off now. Let's go and find a barber.
I've got to say, when I came about 10 years ago, I didn't feel it as much. I was helping my mum, but this time my legs are absolutely killing me. How are you feeling? Do you think it was tiring?
Yeah, you know what? It was quite tiring today, you know. Maybe it's because obviously we've got Zakaria as well. We're looking after him. There's something liberating about wearing just 2 plain pieces of clothes, right, and nothing else. And it felt really good. Everyone is dressed the same way, doing the pilgrimage. There's no like designer watches and designer this and designer that. It was absolutely amazing. I want to see what Zakaria's reaction is. Hello, Zakaria. Hello. He doesn't care. There we go. Our Umrah has been completed, Pambos. We did it.
You know, it's been a long day when everyone is having the McDonald's. Look at the size of that burger. It's the size of Irfan's head.
It's American sizing here, man. The chips are massive and the burgers are huge. Wow, this is Unreal.
Oh. So it's now currently gone past 9 a.m. Irfan, you've done 2 Umrahs back to back. I can't believe it.
I've just got back. It was busier than what it was.
You looked
when
it on the television.
It was busy. Safa Marwa wasn't too bad, but the Tawaf took ages, and like Mum was getting really panicked. Basically, the longest thing that it took us was to actually get downstairs to do the Tawaf. And we were waiting at the top of these stairs for ages, and the crowd built up. The guy basically opened it because some people started complaining, and then bang, we were right at the front.
Push.
And oh, it was scary, man. Like literally, we could have fallen down those marble stairs in a stampede.
Oh my
but
gosh.
luckily it didn't happen. But alhamdulillah, we got it done.
And it's Zakaria's birthday this morning. Yeah! Zakaria's 2 years old. Woo!
Shoot!
Thank you. Oh my god, it's been an absolute experience. I can't believe we were in India yesterday and now we're here in beautiful Makkah.
We hope you enjoyed this little journey that we shared with you of doing our pilgrimage. It was quite a spiritual journey, and to be fair, I'm having to take the Ihram off now, and it feels a bit weird because it's been amazing just walking around in this. If you've got any questions about the pilgrimage that we performed or anything, you know, drop us a comment and we'll definitely reply back to it. If you don't have any questions, just let us know what you thought of the video.
And we pray that inshallah Allah gives you the chance to come and visit this holy place. But on that note, guys, make sure you follow your visions. And Zakaria's birthday number 2. See you in the next one.
We'll see you in the next one.
Well done, Zakaria, you kitty. Mwah. All right, it looks like we got through. We got...
Oh, quick, Spanish. Oh.